Wake up! It's snowing outside! It's snowing!
At last! Where are my skis? My goggles? My lycra snowsuit? Oh, heck! I can ski later. Let's build a snow rat. Come on. It's not snowing.
Aha! Gotcha! April Fool's Day!
Not bad. You've been working on that trick for a while, haven't you?
Sure have. And look, everyone else is tricking each other too.
Did you hear? Egg hatched during the night. That's amazing. What does she look like? Only joking. April Fool's Day.
There's a huge spider on your beak! Oh, it's hideous!
Get it off! Get it off!
Oh, really, Peep? I get you every year. April Fool's Day!
Well done, your mayorship. How you come up with these practical jokes, I'll never know.
All these jokes are awful.
Except mine?
Yeah, yours wasn't bad. But a great prank takes time. You need to set it up right.
You haven't turned into a swan. April Fool's Day.
These jokes are terrible. I can't take it anymore.
What's up with him? He's just mad. I told him it was snowy. Hey, Lou. I've got something to show you.
Back in the city, boy, did we pull some pranks. Not like these lame gags. I mean, look at Ugg.
Wow! A meteor landing in our yard. It's right over there. I saw it crash this morning.
A meteor landing in the yard. I mean, how stupid is that?
It crashed behind this tree, but I think we should be careful that...
Stop! Don't you kids learn anything in school?
Reading, writing, math.
I mean important things, like how to play a good practical joke.
Mom hates practical jokes. She says they're cruel.
And funny, but only if done right. I mean, the chances of a meteor hitting must be 1,000,000,000 to 1.
So a good trick should be believable?
Bingo! Why don't you have a prank contest? Be creative. And if you need help, I'll be on my lounger all day.
So, what's a good trick we can play? And who do we play it on? A real meteor! And it's heading straight for your house! Ratso! Dad, it's ugly. Are you okay?
Not too bad, but I'm under a rock.
Don't worry, I'll get you out of there. It's not working. What'll I do?
You could get some help for a start.
Just hold tight. We'll be back in a minute.
Don't worry. We'll have this rock off you in a jiffy.
Thanks, Death. I hate to cause all this trouble.
What if this meteor is the first of many? I think we should leave the yard immediately.
Oh, no, you don't. You're not leaving my dad under a rock.
He's right. Shame on you, Pete. Now help me push.
Okay, on the count of 3. 1, 2...
April Fool's Day! Oh, man! You should see your faces!
What on earth were you thinking?
Or, more importantly, how did I do it? Once I dragged the seesaw into the correct position and checked for wind direction, I was ready to launch the perfect meteor. This led me to believe that I needed a smaller rock. Then all I had to do was hide behind the house and wait for Ugg to arrive. Then I threw my voice to make it sound like I was underneath. Are we impressed?
This is unbelievable. How could you?
What?
My precious time has been wasted. Your joke interrupted important yard business.
Very important business. The mayor should be tasting bags of corn right now.
Why are you all so upset? I'm the one who ruined a perfectly good lounger.
Never mind us. Go talk to your son. He was very worried.
Hey, Ugg. Pretty funny trick I pulled back there, eh?
I'm not talking to you right now. I'm very mad.
I'm real sorry. Maybe I took it a bit too far.
A bit? I thought you'd be stuck under a rock forever. Now promise you won't play any more tricks.
Okay. I promise I will not play any more tricks.
Good. That's okay then.
On you.
Darling Izzy, guys in my yard say you're a real cutie. I simply got to meet you. Oh, meet me in that chicken coop today. Signed, an admirer. Ooh. P.S. So we recognize each other wear that outfit in the box. Oh, what an unusual request. Hello? I'm here. In that outfit.
Where are you, my darling?
Peep, what are you doing here?
We're here for our prize. Yes, our prize.
Do something, Peep. The hens are laughing at me.
They must be laughing at me. Your hat looks splendid.
We have been tricked.
Can we have our prize now? There is no prize. It's a prank. And the one responsible is...
That's right. Me, Ratso, king of the pranks.
Come back here this instant. And you, take off that hat. Ladies, please. Can we have some order? It's clear that Ratso must be taught a lesson.
So, we shall play a cruel trick on him.
If everyone keeps on tricking each other in revenge, the yard will be in chaos. Shame on you all!
Oh. So, who knows a good prank?
Never listen. I'm afraid Ratso's been up to his tricks again. The mayor is planning to teach him a lesson. What should I do? Maybe if he apologizes, they won't play their mean prank.
Apologize? Never! Let them try and trick me. All I have to do is stay awake till midnight, and April Fool's Day is over.
Pity staying awake isn't your strong point.
That's why you're staying awake with me.
You're acting crazy. Maybe nothing will happen.
Yeah, Yes, you are right. Nothing will happen. I shall just go to bed. Ah, gotcha! Ah!
What are you doing?
What are you doing sneaking around? You're one of them, aren't you? Aren't you?
Sorry, Wes. He's just waiting for April Fool's Day to be over.
Yeah, sorry, Wes. If that's your real name. Look where the moon is! It's midnight! Now they can't trick me!
Wake up! The mayor wants to see you right away.
That doesn't sound too good.
Relax! What's the worst that can happen?
You must be wondering why I asked you here.
To congratulate me on yesterday's hilarious pranks?
Most certainly not. I've brought you here today to tell you about your new job as official yard corn taster.
You mean I have to taste all these bags of corn?
Every last one of them.
Yeah.
April Fool's Day!
What? But that was yesterday. You can't do that.
It's not so funny when you're the one being tricked now, is it?
I am outraged. You don't play tricks after April Fool's Day.
That was really mean. I hope you're happy.
Yes, very happy.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm looking for my dad, so let me through.
Oh, really? We just saw him go into the school.
Well, if you're sure. Ratso? Oh, great. What is that smell in here?
We filled it with rotten berries.
I'm gonna get you for this. Stupid bullies and their mean tricks.
Nobody tricks the king of pranks and gets away with it. It's time for the ultimate practical joke.
The grown-ups are acting like kids. If Ratso pulls another trick, Peep and Esmeralda will try to get back at him again. It could go on forever. And now those bullies are at it too. It's time to put an end to these pranks for good.
What's that I heard about pranks?
Uh-oh, busted. Ratso! I heard weird noises. There's someone in the house.
You're imagining things.
Did you hear that?
It was just the wind.
Explain that then.
The wind again?
What if it's a ghost or something?
There's no such thing as ghosts. Now go back to sleep.
Pogs! Wait!
What's up with you?
I heard noises. Spooky noises.
Ooh, noises. I'm so scared. Go back to bed.
Oh, really? I'm trying to get some sleep here. Who's there? Ratso? I know it's you. Show yourself.
Leave us alone, you ghost.
You were haunted too. But we thought it was Ratso.
See? I told you there was a ghost.
What's wrong with you all? There's no such thing as...
I'm coming, your airship!
I heard something. Something scary. I think it may still be in the room.
The ghost is in here?
You're all crazy. I'm going back to bed. Nobody panic. But I think I see something. Oh, it's horrible. Just horrible. Take that, you hideous, freakish, nasty, stinking... No! Save yourself!
That's my portrait, you idiot.
Good likeness.
I feel a little weird in here.
So do I. It's as if we're being watched. Did you see house? It's in the house.
Look at all this racket. My twins are trying to sleep.
There's a ghost in the mayor's house.
Oh, that's highly unlikely. Why don't I just go in and have a look around?
No, sweet Daphne. I'll go. There's a time when every rat must face his fears. That time is now. Don't worry. I have it all under control. Okay, you can come out now.
Well, did it work?
Like a charm, old buddy. They're all terrified. Check this out.
Years of sneaking around avoiding hens has finally come in handy.
Sure did. But why did you scare Ugly?
What do you mean? I only scared Peep and the mare, like you told me.
Then who the heck haunted the chicken coop and our place?
Did you get rid of it?
The ghost is real. He's real. He's really real. Real scary.
Oh, well, looks like Ratso isn't the big, brave hero I thought he was.
Now, wait just a second. It caught me off guard. I could take him.
Then prove it. Go back in and get rid of the ghost. For me?
Okay. Why not? It's just a little ghost. How bad can it be?
Wait! I'm coming with you!
You sure take after your old dad in the bravery department.
Hello? Mr. Ghost? Sir?
Who dares come in here?
My name's Ugly, and this is my dad.
How's it hanging? Big fan of your work, by the way.
Silence!
Could you please tell us why you're haunting our yard?
Because of all these tricks!
You mean if the tricks stop, you'll leave us alone?
That is correct.
Gee, I'll have to think about that.
What did you say?
I mean, you bet. No more tricks.
And that goes for everyone.
Mr. Ghost. We'll go tell the others what you said.
Remember, any more pranks and I shall return.
Well, I'm sure glad the practical jokes have stopped.
Me too. Those pranks were getting out of control.
So maybe that ghost taught us all a valuable lesson.
Maybe he did. The lesson being that pranks should be for April Fool's Day only.
You mean you'll be playing more tricks next year?
It's only one day a year. I'm sure the ghost will understand.
No, I will not, Ratso!
I didn't mean it. No more tricks. I promise. Yeah!
Ugly! Ugly! Are you coming out to play?
You guys were brilliant. I can't believe we pulled it off.
And I can't believe I helped you.
We couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, thanks for covering for us last night. And for making Ratso come back inside.
Oh, well, I couldn't think of any other way to make them see sense.
And which of you threw the frisbee? That was genius.
Frisbee? But we didn't...
Huh? Must have been a real ghost. Only joking. It was me.
But you hate practical jokes.
I couldn't let you kids have all the fun now, could I?
I think we've just found the queen of pranks.
Yeah.
Do hurry up! And can't you make it a little more colourful?
More colorful? How?
Well, by using more colours, of course.
But I've used every color there is. Whoa.
I don't care. I want to see more colour.
Whoa. How's that?
Now, kids, Mayor Esmeralda tells me she has a surprise for you, and she'd like to tell you all about it.
Hello, children. The stage is being made ready for a big event. Can anyone guess what that big event might be?
Huh?
Yes, you.
Are you 100?
No, I am not. Well, really. I'm looking for a much more sensible answer than that. Children? Right. Never mind. Tomorrow's big event is especially for all of you. It's the children's show. Each of you will have the chance to get up on that stage in front of the whole yard and let your talents shine. Surprise!
And after the show, the little darlings are presented with a lovely straw chicken to remind them of their day.
Oh, I get it. You think I'm listening.
Oh, well, I never.
How lovely and colorful.
Could use more violet.
Kids show. What am I gonna do at a kids show? I don't know how to do anything. How about you, Egg? What are you gonna do?
I haven't decided yet. One thing's for sure. I'm a heck of a dancer. Can you hear a buzzing?
No, I don't hear anything.
Really? But it's so loud. You really can't hear? There's a bee in my shell! Ah! There's a bee in my shell! There's a bee in my shell! Ah! Ah!
Do you think you could keep an eye on the children for just 1 minute? Egg, try not to move.
Tomorrow's gonna be a very special day for us. We're giving ourselves the day off from bullying.
You are?
Oh, yes. We won't need to make you look stupid tomorrow. You're gonna do that all by yourself.
I am?
You are. And, ugh. And this time tomorrow, the whole duckyard will be making fun of you. And this time tomorrow... He already said your line.
Really? Because I could do it now.
No!
Huh?
So, I guess we're gonna have to bully you twice as much today.
You don't have to. You could stop bullying me now and turn it into a long weekend.
What's the matter, Mare Esmeralda?
Do you think I look 100?
Don't be silly. You have the beak of a 16-year-old girl.
Sorry about that. I hope the kids behaved themselves.
They were angels. Now, if you'll excuse us, we have many more preparations to make for tomorrow's show.
Okay, kids, back to the classroom. Where's Ugly? Has anybody seen Ugly? Oh, there you are. Now, in you go. Ratso, just the man I wanted to see. You've done such a lovely job on the stage. Do you think you could paint my house?
Me? You want me to paint your house?
Well, if you're too busy.
No, I'm not too busy.
Great. But call around tomorrow evening and take a look at the place. You and Ugly could stay for dinner. Love the hat, by the way.
Oh. Huh? My hair! My beautiful, saucy, magnificent hair! Daphne will never look at me again!
Dad?
Don't look at me!
What happened to your hair?
Nothing. Plus, I don't want to talk about it. So, how was school?
Terrible, and tomorrow's gonna be worse. So I'm not going. They can keep their stupid kids show.
Let's just never go outside again.
You said it. I'm not gonna stand on a stage to make a fool of myself just so I can get one of Peep's silly straw birds.
Straw birds?
And after the show, the little darlings are presented with a lovely straw chicken to remind them of their day.
Ugly, that's a brilliant idea. You'll perform in the kids' show. Why didn't I think of it myself?
That's not what I said.
It's not?
No, I look completely stupid if I'm in the show. I don't know how to do anything.
You're right. And if you look bad, then I look bad. And I don't want to look bad in front of Daphne. I've got it! I'll teach you to be the best thing in the show. That way, I'll look good in front of Daphne, and I'll get my wig.
What did you say?
Oh, I'm sorry. I said I'll teach you how to be the best thing in the show. That way, you'll show up those bullies and look great in front of everyone.
Are you sure that's what you said?
Roughly, yes.
Great! I'll do it.
There are two things we need to work on for you to steal the show. Number one, you're a kid, and kids have to look cute.
Gotcha.
No.
No?
No! Little guys don't look cute when they smile. You've got to look sad.
How am I gonna do that?
Easy. If you want to look sad, just think of something sad.
Okay, I'll try.
That's perfect. Don't forget that sad thought. What was it?
I was just thinking of the time we went to the beach for my birthday, and it rained all day.
I remember that birthday. The cake got all soggy. You should have seen your little face.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna need a minute. Number 2, you have to have a talent.
Well, I can paint a little.
Great! Show me your stuff. Who's this?
It's you.
Me? Impossible! Look at the goofy teeth, the bulging eyes. Now, look at me. Observe the handsomeness. See? Nothing like me. Not to worry. I have lots of talents. You can have one of mine.
Thanks.
The thing is, all the kids are going to have a little song, or a poem, or a story. So you have to stand out, do something different to the rest.
Like what?
Ugly, my boy, when it comes to live performance, nothing wows an audience like the art of belly dancing.
You want me to belly dance?
Observe the hypnotic movements of the dance known simply as Lady of Jelly.
You're kidding.
Now you!
No way!
Come on, it's fun!
I don't believe this.
We've got a lot of work to do.
Where are we going?
On a field trip. I want you to see cute kids in action.
Okay, who can name a fruit that begins with an A?
Mom? What are you doing?
I'm playing a word game with you.
Are you sure you're not trying to teach us something?
Because you're only allowed to do that in school. Last week you said we were playing a number game, and Emmy learned to multiply.
That was a dirty trick.
I don't believe this.
Talk about your perfect children. See how cute they were?
Why do we have to creep around out here? Can't we just go in and say hello?
Absolutely not! I can't let Daphne see that I'm bald.
Mom, I think I heard someone at the window.
So, how are you?
What the heck are you doing, sneaking around looking in people's windows?
Fair question. I, always like to soak up the atmosphere of a house before I paint it.
Stop smelling my house! You nearly scared the life out of my children.
What's her problem? I was sure she liked me before. I'm the same guy I was then. It's not like I've changed in any way. She must have noticed. Bald! 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 Bald!
Sorry about that, Daphne, but Ratso didn't mean it. He was only trying to help me be cute for the show today. I'm not like the others, you see.
You already are cute. All you have to do is get up there and be yourself. Besides, Ratso's not exactly like the others either.
Yeah, Ratso's the most different guy here.
You could say that.
And everybody loves him.
You couldn't really say that.
You're right. If I get up there today and be myself, then maybe someday, just maybe, I could be like Ratso.
Huh?
Thank you, Daphne. Thank you.
That's not what I said. Oh, what on earth have I done?
What do you mean you're not coming? All the other kids' parents are gonna be there.
Exactly. I don't want everyone seeing me like this. I'm bald, and not in a cool, graceful, mature way. What if they think I look stupid?
But it doesn't matter if I look stupid, as long as it makes you look good, right?
Well, it's bound to sound bad if you put it that way.
Pardon me. I'm very sorry about it all. Oh, they're going to be so cute. I just can't wait to see them on the stage.
Come on, Ratso.
Aw, what's the matter? Didn't Daddy show up? I guess that's one less person to see you make a fool of yourself.
Oh, I'm sure he'll show up. But maybe he won't. Oh, come on, guys. I said maybe he won't.
You'd better slow down on the corn kernels. You don't want to get sick on stage. It might affect your cuteness rating.
Hello and welcome to the most exciting day of the year. It's time to meet our youngest members in the yard. And so, without further delay or interruption...
Excuse me. Little room? Move it, sister.
As I was saying, I don't want to bore you all with any more...
Boring.
Here's our first young man.
Excuse me, I'm not a boy, I'm a girl.
Oh, I'm sorry, young lady. So, tell us about yourself.
My name's Egg.
Right. And what are you going to be doing for us today?
I brought my pet along to show you.
How lovely. And what kind of animal is your pet?
He's a buzzy bee.
Aww. Isn't that sweet? And where is the little fellow?
I had him here a second ago. I hope he didn't fly away.
Don't worry, Egg. I think I can see him. Yes, there he is. In your shell.
In my shell? There's a bee in my shell! Help! Help! There's a bee in my shell! Help! Help!
That was the lovely Egg. Everybody, Egg.
Yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, brother and sister, Emmy and Lou.
Aww.
So, Emmy, what would you like to be when you're older?
I'd like to be taller.
And why would you like to be taller?
So I could crush my enemies like bugs.
Yeah.
Right. Well, never mind. What do you like to do with your time now?
Crush bugs.
Bugs.
Okay. Moving on.
But I never even got to do anything.
La, 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 la,
Wonderful.
I don't know what to say. You beautiful children.
I wouldn't like to be following those guys. Oh, sorry. That's okay. Whew, it's hot today. Ugh, I don't feel so good.
Did you eat all of that corn?
Uh-huh. Uh-oh.
We have just one more little boy to meet today. Please welcome Ugly.
You're up next, freak.
So, Ugly. That's quite a name. Where did you get it? And what are you going to be doing for us today?
I'd like to do something very special my father taught me. Come on, Ugly. You can do it. He shouldn't have eaten all that corn. Not in this heat.
Oh, yeah! That's my boy! Whoa!
What's happening to Ugly? I think he's making popcorn. I feel a lot better.
Yeah,
that was cool. Hooray for Ugly! Go Ugly! That was cool.
That was incredible.
Hi!
What are you doing?
No!
Come on, Ratso.
I'm not going.
But this isn't just a job. This is dinner with Daphne, too.
I can't. Look at me. Don't look at me.
It'll grow back.
Before dinner?
It'll be fine. I've got an idea.
Are they here?
Kind of. Ratso said Ugly can't come because he's tired after his big day.
Oh. Well, don't worry, kids. You can see him tomorrow. So where's Ratso?
Knock, knock.
Whoa.
Bless you.